Hello class. Yesterday I gave you the homework that you will try to solve the exercises. I think you have tried. Let us match whether they are correct or not. Okay, let me speak the answers and you match your answer. Okay, exercise number 122 we are going to do. Formation of words. Exercise number 122. Okay, see the first one. Mumbai is a very dash city. Mumbai is a very dash city, and what is given in the bracket? It is expense. So the answer is expensive. Mumbai is a very expensive city. Now see the second one. He can do his work dash. He can do his work dash, and in the bracket it is given able. So the answer is ably. He can do his work ably. Right? Now see the third one. Read it. The third one is geography is a dash subject. Geography is a dash subject, and what is given in the bracket? It is given use. So the word is useful. Geography is a useful subject. Now see the next one. A healthy child's cheek are dash, and the word is rose. It is rose. So the answer is rosy. A healthy child's cheeks are rosy. R-O-S-Y. Then the next one. This is a dash night, and see the word is given star. S-T-A-R, star. So the answer is starry. S-T-A-R-R-Y, starry. This is a starry night. S-T-A-R-R-Y, starry. Please dash the room and see it is vacancy, but we have to write the verb here, then it is vacate. V-A-C-A-T-E, vacate. Please vacate the room. Then see the next one. Okay. Now we are number 7. I want to dash my vocabulary, and the word is rich. So I want to enrich. I want to enrich my vocabulary. See the next one. Number 8. What a dash tale. Tale means story. What a dash tale, and the word is fun. So the answer is funny. What a funny tale. F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Now this medicine will dash your wound, and the word is health, but we have to use the verb. This medicine will heal your wound. H-E-L, heal. He made a dash speech. He made a dash speech. The word is force, and we have to write it forceful speech. We played a dash match, and it is friend. Then the word is friendly. We played a friendly match. Then please do come back dash. The answer is shortly. Please do come back shortly. Then stealing is a shameful act. Stealing is a shameful act. This is a dash general weekly. I thanked him for his dash advice. Valuable. Valuable advice. Then in winter we put on dash clothes. It is woolen. Woolen. Then don't miss this dash chance. Golden. Then we shall dash ourselves during the holidays. we shall enjoy ourselves during the holiday. God sees the dash but waits. God sees the truth but waits. Try to dash, good students. Try to befriend. So in this way you can solve the exercise. And let me speak the other answers also so that you can match speedily. Now we are on number 22. We are on number 22. The teacher encouraged us to work hard, then purify this dirty water. Hard work can enable us to succeed. She is a cheerful girl. Our journey was comfortable. Then I like her. It is a number I like her 27. I like her charming manners. Then 28. His efforts were fruitful. 29. The story was painful. 30. Let's make India a prosperous country. The weather was stormy. Let's make India a prosperous country. The weather was stormy. And 32 is I could solve this problem easily. 33. He frequently comes to me. 34. It is not desirable to be unpunctual. 35. Nisha is a trustworthy girl. 36. This is a risky game. This is a risky game. Now see the next one also. They are up to 60. So let me speak. Let me take the help of the book. And it is page number. See, let me check the page number. Page 157. And let us do more. Page 157 we are doing. And on page number 157 we are doing the formation of words today. And we are solving the exercise. And in exercise we have done up to 36. And 37 number I am speaking. You match your answer. The dog is a faithful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. Then see the next. The next one you match with your answer. We went along a circular road. Water will soften this hard ground. Only God can save this patient. Number 41. Our team equalized the goal within minutes. Milk gives us strength. Childhood is the best period of man's life. Would I be of any service to you? He said so in my presence. Poverty could not prevent him from progress. He is known for the sweetness of his nature. What is the depth of this well? Honesty pays in the long run. 50 number. His sister is under the treatment of a good doctor. My teacher wished somebody is making